today we are going to investigate the question round to the nearest tens. So this is a very complicated type of a skill for third graders, but if we understand all the other Singapore math skills prior to this point, they should be able to get this concept. But I'm going to start off with a two-digit number, and we're going to round it to the nearest tens. So let's say I have the number 35. Now the hardest thing for children is to find the two ends of the number line when they are 10 spaces apart, and that's the hardest for children. So what we've been coaching the children is to ask themselves this question: how many tens are there in 35? So we usually have them underlined. There are 3 tens in 35. 3 tens means 3 with a 0, which is 30. So that's one end of the number line. And then the other end of the number line will be 10 more, which is 40. So again, these are type of the language that we've been using for Singapore math, and students should be very familiar with it. And as you know, if we're counting by ones, and we have to look at the ones place, which is the 5. If we're counting by ones, 35 should be right in the middle. And this is when we're gonna say we are going to be consistent with the rounding rule. If the 5 in the ones place, we are going to round up, which is 40. So that means, in reality, if I have 35, I can say I have about 40. So I hope this will help, but now let's, again, I'm going to bump up the number to a 3-digit number. So let's do 528. So again, the first question that you ask is how many tens are there in 528? So again, I'm starting with the tens, underline them all. There are 52 tens in 528. So 52 tens, that's my one end of the number line. 52 tens means 52 with 1 0. And then 10 more would be 530. And now we would coach the students to look at the ones place, which is the 8. So the 8 should be right, 528 should be right around here, which the students should be able to identify this number on the number line between 520 to 530. So we know that it's closer to 530, therefore we need to round up. So the answer is 530. Again, now with the same method, we're going to use a 4-digit number. Again, let's go do 3,755. Again, coach the students to ask how many tens, because we're rounding to the nearest tens, right? So in that number, so we have 375 tens. Translate 375 tens is 375. If you hear a 10, it's 1 0. 10 more, 3,760. Now looking at the ones place, which is 5, and that should be right here, and we say anything 5 or more, we are gonna round up. So hopefully, again, as we practice more and as we are being consistent with the language and the mathematics, students will not be as confused as before. So thank you for watching.